Inmates on death row are suing the state of Tennessee over the electric chair. They say the state's backup method for the condemned isn't just unconstitutional, it's torture and shouldn't be allowed as an alternative to lethal injection. With so many recent cases of boxed executions, about 4 this year, could these inmates really have a case? Here to debate is attorney Eric Guster and attorney Misty Maris. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning. Good morning.
Misty, you say these prisoners shouldn't be bringing this lawsuit. It's wrong.
No, exactly. And the issue is that the United States Supreme Court has not deemed the electric chair to be unconstitutional. It's a constitutional method. And as an alternative, certainly states now, after these lethal injection cases, are looking at potential alternatives since the lethal injection method is under scrutiny.
Okay, so, Eric, not cruel and unusual, says Misty. Is it cruel and unusual? Should it be thrown out? Are these inmates right?
The inmates are right because we have protections against cruel and unusual punishment. There was a case in Florida where a man's head actually caught on fire during an electric chair execution. And those things have not been cured yet. So we need to look at life without parole for these people.
So you say it's cruel and unusual, but you don't want the death penalty under any circumstances, do you?
I don't, because there are so many cases. There are over 140 cases of people being exonerated after they were in death row. And once someone has been killed, you can't bring them back. If new evidence comes out, there's DNA evidence coming out on different cases, and once someone has been executed, you can't bring them back.
The reality is capital punishment is available in these states, and there has to be a means by which to go forward with that. So pursuant to the 8th Amendment, a state violates the 8th Amendment when they have another feasible alternative that's readily available that will cause significantly less pain. Right now, the method that's the primary method is lethal injection. Of course, we need to look to alternatives, and there's 8 states that allow execution as a secondary alternative.
Eric, is your viewpoint just an excuse to get rid of capital punishment at any cost, find any legal argument, shut it down? Is that what the point of it is?
Absolutely not. With capital punishment, like I said, you can't bring someone back. There are too many mistakes, and court cases, and we've seen them, where public defenders are not protecting people properly. There are people who are poor, are likely more convicted at a higher rate because they can't afford it.
Final question, yes or no answer. Will the inmates win the lawsuit, yes or no?
No, they will not. There's constitutional defenses.
Are they going to win, yes or no?
I hope so.
Going to the Supreme Court?
Absolutely.
We're going to see this in other states, too. This is not the first of these cases.
Eric Guster and Misty Maris, smart debate this morning. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.